Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars Info. Today, we're getting behind the wheel of the future with the first look at the 2025 BMW X3. If you're a fan of luxury SUVs, you'll want to stick around for this. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 X3 a standout in its class. Let's start with the design. The 2025 BMW X3 has received a sleek and refined makeover. It retains the robust and athletic stance of its predecessors, but with a more modern twist. The signature kidney grilles are now larger and more prominent, giving the X3 a bold front-end presence. One of the most noticeable updates is the new LED headlight design, which adds a sharper, more aggressive look. The body lines are more sculpted, enhancing aerodynamics and giving the X3 a sporty appearance. And with a variety of new color options and wheel designs, you can customize it to fit your style. Step inside, and the 2025 X3 continues to impress. The cabin is luxurious and spacious, featuring high-quality materials and a modern design. BMW has upgraded the infotainment system to the latest iDrive 9.0, which includes a larger, curved display and improved voice control. It's designed to keep you connected and entertained on every drive. And speaking of driving, the 2025 X3 offers a range of powertrains to suit your needs. From the efficient X3 Strive 30i to the more powerful X3 M40i, you have options for both performance and efficiency. The new plug-in hybrid variant is also worth mentioning. It combines a turbocharged engine with an electric motor for impressive power and better fuel economy. BMW has also enhanced the driving dynamics with an updated suspension system and improved steering feedback. Thanks for watching Cars Info. If you enjoyed this overview of the 2025 BMW X3, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on our latest car reviews and automotive news. Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite feature of the new X3? See you in the next video.